66 is Kerala's longest highway, uniting the northern and southern regions. Initiated the plan to and fortifying Kerala. Road infrastructure. MEIL is executing the Chengala-Nileshwaram stretch of this highway under the hybrid annuity model. This 37-kilometer long 6-lane highway features 2 crucial major bridges over Arabian Sea backwaters, 3 minor bridges, 3 flyovers, and a 60-kilometer service road network. Our work is progressing steadily on the Chengala-Nileshwaram stretch. Of the 37-kilometer highway stretch, we have completed 17 kilometers of road laying and 33 kilometers of the 60-kilometer service road network. The construction of the 2 crucial major bridges over the Arabian Sea backwaters is underway, while the 3 minor bridges have already been completed. This stretch also features a rail overbridge, the first in India regarding the length of the composite girders used. Usually, 50-meter composite girders are used in India. In this segment, our teams are installing 59-meter composite girders. This rail overbridge has 3 spans, 2 20-meter spans and a 60-meter composite girder span. As these stretches transform, travelers can expect easier access to Kerala's diverse landscapes, historic sites, and cultural hotspots. It will catalyze various aspects of development, including connectivity, tourism, and economic activities. Kerala is one of the hot favorite holiday destinations, and improved connectivity will provide tourists with a seamless and immersed experience, ultimately leading to the growth of the local economy.